and it was just not worth it. So somebody had to step up to the plate and do the man thing. So with that being said, I did a little something like this. Throw that on, baby. Yeah, y'all really gotta listen to what I'm saying. Grown man thing right here, you know what I mean? Check me out, y'all. I got something on my mind I thought I ought to speak about. Get it off my chest before I sure to speak out. Act like Mr. Rogers, take the shoes off, pull the sneakers out. I'm sick of everybody asking me what the beef's about. For 30 years my peers been in my ears, filling my mind with negativity and living with beers. Yeah, now I'ma make this real clear. Why he's a millionaire and I'm still here. All my life I've been that dude you wanted to rock because I bought it from the heart before I thought about the pockets. And when drinking was my topic, he was thinking about the future and he couldn't wait to drop it. We used to walk and talk, kill time and rhymes, gold. Sometimes it was Valentine, playing Tina Rock, it's yours used to play. No book full of rhymes and we all used to say that we could be rich like Run DMC, but the 40s had me lit and two comes to see that super duo we was cut out to be, but that chance passed me by cause it was all about me. Then I started drinking like a fish. He was thinking about his future, thinking about his wish. People in my ear, my style, they said he jacked me. He was hot when I met him, so how could that be? The king goes to here, that was really petty. How could I claim an image that was out already? I used to disrespect nothing. I had no reason, so it wasn't proving nothing. Only pleasing who? The same people that used to drink my money up and talk behind my back, thinking it was funny, but the truth is, it was bogus and useless. I was satisfying haters, he was focused on his music and used it to the best of his ability. And since I ain't drinking, the haters ain't feeling me. You think it's a song for me to make a comeback? Really? Who does that? I've been there, I've done that. This is a script I flip, so y'all can shut up. I'm proud of my man Jay, and I even bought what up. I know I got you tripping off when I spit in this song. As a man, I can admit when I'm wrong. We can't let the time keep slipping along. Your rap on the street don't mean shit when it's gone. I was wrong in many ways, I prayed for many days. Don't care if the song is a hit or if it don't get any plays. Well anyways, back to the topic. We all grown up, so you haters need to stop it. Get a life, get a wife, get a gun, get a knife. Get your own on your own and just leave me alone. He already gave me props and you can check it on the trailer. And why should I blame Cool J for my failures? He didn't make me drink or block me from getting mine. Who cares what you think? Now watch me, watch you shine. It's 13, I'm clean and I'm sober. Just because I'm 45 don't mean that it's over. It's a new first inning. My team's about winning. A brand new beginning with a brand new ending. I pretended that this brother owes me something. After all said and done, it really shows me something. That life is too short to build your life around drama. Since I made this confession, I'm a whole lot calmer. I'm blessed even more. He doesn't hurt my persona. Now I can move on with my life and not worry about karma. Now I'ma end it with the main question. Nah, I gave him a suggestion. You know what I mean? That's real grown man stuff right there. You know what I mean? That's how we do it. But check this out. Take that down for a minute. Now, I'm gonna do this next joint. You know what I mean? Cause to me, I think hip hop is in the state of emergency. You know what I mean? It's not that I'm hating on the new school or I'm considering myself old school. It ain't got nothing to do with that. You either got good music or bad music. You know what I mean? Because there's a lot of new cats that I love out there. But I came up off of I came up in a certain era when it was a little different. So I'm gonna just put y'all up on what I came up on. So maybe this might bridge the gap. You know what I'm saying? Throw that on. Woo! I know the grown-ups is gonna be like, oh, I love that hook right there. You know what I mean? But check it out. Yo, hip-hop ain't the same. The rules done changed. Got these rules blowing up that ain't true to the game. I'm 100% official, no preservatives. And the words I hear to split you and deserve a hit. Now wish you keep it real. You ain't got talent and your flow's whack or throwback, but you can't hang and everybody knows that. Now you catch your feelings cause you hate that I'm great. True school day is coming, I can't wait to the day worth of life. You finally hear a brother game tight. Last